Okay, so I just had a great topic for YouTube come to my mind while I was in the car running errands, wearing my face mask. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I'm indoors, but I figured all of the emphasis is on our eyes these days. And so there are 5 simple tricks that I use every day that I'm going out to make my eyes pop and to emphasize them and to make them look less tired, which is always the key. So I'm gonna take you on a little scavenger hunt around my office here and show you those 5 products and 5 tricks to how to emphasize and make your eyes look nice and perky and bright. So let's go. Okay, so my first trick is very simple and it's actually more of a skincare trick. I keep these little jewels in my refrigerator where I store waters and wines and that sort of fun things for my clients. So these are collagen and hyaluronic acid eye masks, and I apply these every single morning when I'm drinking my coffee, or you can wear them at night before you go to bed, it doesn't matter. But you just take 1 pair of these little eye masks, they're kind of jelly-like, and you apply them underneath each eye bed. You wear them for 15 to 20 minutes and bam, your eyes are hydrated and plump and ready to go for your makeup that you put on for the rest of the day. These are some of my favorite things, and they're easy to apply and easy to use. Now my second trick involves eyeliner, and it's an easy eyeliner trick. It's not for your upper waterline, but it's for your lower inner waterline that's on your lower lashes. So most of us have some natural pink in our fleshy part of our eye there, which kind of makes our eyes look tired and dull and makes the whites of our eyes not so white. So the trick is to get a peach colored pencil, or you can do white if you want something really dramatic, but I typically use peach. And you take this peach eyeliner and you just rub it along your inner waterline, and then it immediately brightens the whites of your eyes, makes your eyes look way more open and alive, and it's a great, easy, cheap trick. I think this pencil's like $3 or $4. My third trick involves this little gadget, which is an eyelash curler, and I know I talk about this in all my other videos all the time, but it bears repeating. Use an eyelash curler, ladies. It will really open your eyes and make them look so much bigger and wider. The trick is to curl them at 3 separate spots. Mine are curled, obviously, but you're gonna take this little gadget and you're gonna squeeze the bottom base of your lashes, let go, squeeze the middle, let go, and squeeze the tips for a nice lash curl. And then of course, apply your mascara on top. 2 coats is best. All right, now the 4th trick is probably an obvious one, but I always feel like I need to bring it up. Use concealer. Concealer is going to take away any dark circles that you might have from not getting a whole lot of sleep the night before, or you drank too much wine. So concealer is really gonna brighten those eye beds and take those hollows that we get underneath our eyes as we get a little older and brighten them up. You just have to pick the right shade, which is a whole nother YouTube video in the making, but use concealer. Put a few dots underneath your eyes, use a concealer brush, tap that in, and bam, your eyes look bright and shiny. Now for my 5th and final trick is to use a shimmery, light colored eyeshadow just in the tear ducts of your eyes. You can use any sort of shade that's like a champagne-y color or an ivory, but something with just a little hint of shimmer, and just dab it right there in your tear ducts, and boom, you have like Hollywood bright eyes. And it just adds a nice little glimmer to your eyes when you've got your face mask on and all they can see is your eyes. It's gonna make your eyes pop. All right, y'all, so that's it. 5 simple tricks for less tired looking eyes. And if you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And also, I know it's 2020 and y'all probably know all this from watching YouTube videos, but I would love for you to follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest. I do love Pinterest, and all those other places. It's at Jenny Sue Makeup. That would be awesome. I'll also have a podcast called Pretty Powerful Jenny Sue Makeup, so make sure to look that up. I will put links to all of these products that I mentioned today, even my Fab Sequin Face Mask, in the description below this video, so be sure to go check that out. And stick around for the next video. There will be one coming up very soon. Bye, y'all. Okay, so do you think that this would make a good thumbnail photo? Me and my fabulous sequin mask. You know, the only bummer about wearing these things, besides the fact that it's like 95 degrees outside, is that my lipstick gets no love anymore. Like, my lipsticks and my lip glosses are so lonely. It's really pitiful. Oh well.